Hi, in this video, we will see how to install Docker on Red Hat Linux server in order to install TrueSight Automation Console. We will be installing Mirantis container runtime on Red Hat server, and this involves following tasks. MCR was formerly called as Docker EE. Regarding licensing and subscription, please check with the Mirantis. We will be following the steps mentioning in the TSAC preparing for installation documentation, and these steps consist two part: set up a Docker repository and then install MCR from the repository. So we'll start with the demo. So on left side I have RHL7 server, and right side I have the TSAC documentation. So let's follow the steps. So the first step I will execute to remove the existing Docker repository. So no repository present. Let's set the temporary store for Mirantis repository. Then install yum utils. Enable extras RHL repository to install the SLinux package. Let's add the MCR repository to the system. Let's now install the MCR from the repository which we created. So we have successfully installed the MCR on Red Hat 7 server. If user would like to install the selected version of MCR, so refer to this command. Once that is done, start the Docker service and enable the Docker service. And now we are good to install the TSAC. Thank you.